Good afternoon. When is this hot weather going to end? Well, news is it's going to rain tomorrow, Tuesday. So if that's the case, yippee, quite frankly. Because I tell you, it's really hot. Hold on while I use my new mug. Ooh, check it out, baby. I really love this mug. It will be available in my Etsy shop. Maybe by the time I've edited this. I've got to take some pics. I really like it. I'll show. Oh, here we go. So yeah, I just need a coffee first. No, good sized mug. I do like its big handle as well. So it's got a really nice, you get a really good grip. Oh, cheers, everybody. Oh. Yeah, so this has got the print with the blue shed, and it's got a picture on both sides. Yeah. I really like it. It's beautiful. I do it all myself, and they come packaged in a nice little box. So if anyone wants to buy one, there'll be a budget cooking one as well. And I will do a sort of discount thing if you buy two. It's okay if you don't want to buy them, absolutely fine. But anyone who does, they're available in my Etsy shop. Links in the description, and if those links work. I'm not sure if they do, but I'll check them. I've got to finish the front of the shed. I'm not doing any work in this heat, absolutely only painting. But if it's raining tomorrow, it's meant to be getting cooler this week. Which is great because there's loads of work that needs doing. I've got a load of strimming to do. There's a plumber over there that's fixing the tap, but he's a little bit of a distance, so hopefully you can't hear me chatting to myself. I've got some more bag designs as well. Remember I showed you on the last one? Ooh, so this is, can you see that? The one with the red. So this sorry, just get a better image. Do you know what? I used one of these today because I've got my own one. It hangs really nicely off my shoulder, off it. It's got a nice length handle, and this one's cute. A scarecrow I drew, or it's watercolours. That's the original. It was originally a watercolour. Cute little scarecrow. Yeah. They're all, like I say, they're all available. I need to take photos of those as well. Oh man, look at this. Work, it's very hot. Yeah, very hot in where I work. So I'm already red when I leave. So, and then I build, get here and get redder. Oh, nice coffee. Oh. So yeah, get the paintbrushes nice and dry. That's the plumber, if you can hear that. Just finish the front, and then that's today. And tomorrow, even if it's, I can't wait. It's going to be a bit cooler. This humidity, I don't know about anyone else, but at night time it's so close. Yeah, it's unbearable. Is it because it's the time of year? The humidity is higher. Still, rain's coming tomorrow. Touch wood. I have watered. I did a little bit of watering before I turned the camera on. Oh, nice mug. I really like it. Really like the size and the I don't know what some people like their thin mugs, but this is not too thick, not too thin. Oh. Right, let's get you up on the tripod and start painting. See you in a bit. Start painting. the front done. Come and have a look. Well, can we see? It dries super quick. Let's just step away. Can you see? Oh, I don't even know. I can't see. Yeah, you can see something. Obviously I've got a paper mache wherever these bits, just to stop things dripping, water dripping down, and carry on with the sides, which if it's raining tomorrow I'm not going to be painting, that is for sure. Have a little break. Oh, beautiful. Oh, thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget, if you fancy a bag, they're in my Etsy shop, and the mug, there'll be more designs on these, so that's all good. Cheers, everybody. Have a really good evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.